People say passive income is a myth, that you can't really make money while you sleep. But what if I told you that right now, as you're watching this video, thousands of people are making money without lifting a finger? The real question is, what's the best way to do it? Dropshipping or affiliate marketing? Which one will actually make you more money and give you the freedom you dream of? Before we dive in, let's be clear. This is not one of those get-rich-quick videos. We're talking real business, real money, and real effort. Because if you're looking for some overnight success scheme, you're better off buying a lottery ticket. But if you're serious about creating long-term wealth, then stick around because I'm breaking everything down step by step. All right, let's get into it. So firstly, let's talk about dropshipping. This is one of the most popular online business models, and for good reason. You sell products without ever touching them. A customer places an order, you buy it from a supplier, usually in China or through platforms like AliExpress, and they ship it directly to the customer. It sounds like a dream business, right? No inventory, no warehouse, just pure online sales. But here's the thing, dropshipping is far from easy money. The margins are thin, the competition is fierce, and handling customer complaints can become a full-time job. Ever had an angry customer demand a refund because their order took 30 days to arrive? Yeah, not fun. Some people absolutely crush it with dropshipping. They find winning products, master Facebook ads, and scale to 6 or 7 figures. But for every success story, there are thousands who lose money on ads and give up. The reality? If you don't know how to market products effectively, dropshipping will eat your profits alive. But what about affiliate marketing? Let's talk about that next. Affiliate marketing is a completely different game. Instead of selling physical products, you promote other people's products, usually digital ones like software, courses, or high-ticket services. Every time someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. The best part? No inventory, no customer service, no dealing with refunds, just pure marketing. You focus on driving traffic through blogs, YouTube, social media, or paid ads, and you get paid when someone purchases. Sounds easy, but here's the catch. Affiliate marketing takes time. Unlike dropshipping, where you can test products and start making money quickly, affiliate marketing requires you to build an audience, establish trust, and drive consistent traffic. Some of the biggest affiliates spend months or even years creating content before seeing significant income. So now, the big question, how much money can you actually make? Let's break it down. In dropshipping, the profits depend on how well you price your products and how much you spend on ads. Some people make thousands per day, but they also burn thousands in ad costs. The real winners? They figure out how to get customers without spending a fortune on ads. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, has insane profit margins. You don't have to pay for product costs or shipping. But the problem? You need traffic. Lots of it. That's why most affiliates rely on YouTube, blogs, or paid ads to make money. So which is better? Let's look at something most people never talk about. How much effort it actually takes to succeed in each. Here's the reality. Neither of these are lazy ways to make money. Dropshipping takes a lot of work up front. Finding products, setting up a store, running ads, dealing with angry customers. But if you scale it right, you can eventually hire people to run the business for you. Affiliate marketing? It's a long game. Building a blog, growing a YouTube channel, or running an email list takes months, sometimes years, before you see real money. But once it's set up, it can pay you forever. You make a video today, and it's still making you money years later. Think about that. Look, trends come and go. Dropshipping stores rise and fall every month. If your whole business relies on one trending product, the moment it dies, your income is gone. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, can be built like a real brand. If you create valuable content, people will trust you and keep buying from your recommendations for years. That's why some of the richest people in online business are affiliates. So what's the final verdict? Both dropshipping and affiliate marketing can make you passive income, but they're not shortcuts to riches. So ask yourself, do you want fast money with more effort or slow money with long-term security? If you got value from this video, hit that like button. It helps more than you think. And if you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Because trust me, you're gonna want to see what's coming next. See you in the next one.